What's going on, everyone? Um, I just want to do a quick little video. So this token AVAPAY, as you can see, it's on a uprise, uptrend, especially while the markets is coming down. Found out about it yesterday, and the price was around here. So I got in with just like 20 bucks, right? 20 bucks worth of AVAX. I didn't have that much money on that chain. Well, actually, I had like half a ETH over there and didn't realize. But I just threw the avalanche that I had in there, which was like 20 bucks equivalent at this price point here. Now, this project pays you back in USDC passively. So the 20 bucks that I put in here, not only did that appreciate, which was zero point 0.5, actually 0.15 AVAX. Um, I did just add some more from the ETH side, so that's why you're seeing it at 1.5. But I did check my wallet, and that 20 bucks or so, you made me 50 cents in USDC. So I was thinking like, hey, basically every $40 will give me a dollar, returns roughly. So if you can start to do the math on that, on how you can earn some passive returns back by just passively holding this particular token. Now you can get it on Trader Joe XYZ.com. So Trader Joe is basically the Uniswap for Avalanche. Okay, and to set yourself up, you can go to Trader Joe. You have to make sure that you have the Avalanche network set up. The easiest way to set up a network, sorry, I have multiple tabs open, but there's a website called Chainlist. Okay, chainlist.org. You can simply search whatever token to get the network. So Avalanche mainnet, you want to hit connect wallet. Sorry, my wallet's already connected to something else. You'll hit connect wallet, it'll connect to your wallet, and then it will automatically add the Avalanche mainnet information for you. Um, so that's a quick, easy way for you to add any network, whether it's Cody, or actually no, Cody's on Ethereum, uh, Ubic, or any other network that you want to set up, easily set up, you can do so, like the Boba network. So once you get that set up, you'll go to an exchange like Hotbit, or I'm not sure if KuCoin has it, but we're going to use Hotbit as an example. So with Hotbit, all you have to do is obviously get some money over there, exchange your funds for AVAX. I'm not sure why we're running so slow right now, but you're going to exchange your funds for Avalanche, and I'm going to take a look at everything. Let me give this a quick refresh here. Oh yeah, it's just running pretty slow. I'm gonna take some funds in here and sell some. Oh, I forgot I had these in here. All right, we'll take like I'm gonna trade KDA for some USDT. We're just gonna do something small, real quick, as an example. Let's sell about 15 bucks worth. So sell KDA for USDT. The order's done. So I'm gonna come over here and go to search for AVAX. Find AVAX and click on the USDT pairing. Now I can go ahead and select the lowest selling price so I could get this thing filled immediately. and we're gonna buy AVAX. Okay, so we're gonna hit confirm, buy, and that should fill immediately. Now let's jump back to your funds, your wallet, um, and now we have the AVAX here, 47 bucks. I think I sold more than I thought. So we have the AVAX here, and we're gonna hit withdraw. Okay, when you hit withdraw, you'll be brought to this page here. And what you have to do is make sure that you select the right blockchain. Okay, that is very important. The regular AVAX that you see here is the Ethereum blockchain. So if I send this to my MetaMask wallet, it won't show up on the Avalanche network. It will show up in the Ethereum network as Avalanche. Okay, so you want to make sure that you select the AVAX C, and the C stands for contract, and that's how their blockchain is set up. So Avalanche C is what's gonna get you to the Avalanche side. So if we select that, of course, your withdrawal address is the same address across the board. All right, so I'll copy my address here, go ahead and paste that in there. And this is how much AVAX I have available. So I could just click on it and it'll pre-populate here. Now, do keep in mind the fees is zero point 0.3 AVAX. So they'll deduct that from my total. So I'll receive 0.137. And then you just hit submit. I'm not actually going to do that. I set some earlier just to test it out, this zero point 0.8, and yeah, it worked perfectly. So make sure you are on AVAX C though, because that's the blockchain that's going to send the money through on the side that you need it. Once you send that, it is pretty fast to get it. You'll jump to Trader Joe XYZ. You'll connect your wallet, and it may ask you to make sure you're on the it may switch your wallet over to the main Avalanche blockchain. And once you're connected, you should be able to see your available funds. It's just like any swap that you've used in the past. So you'll select your AVAX, which is already selected, and then you will select AVAPay. Now, if AVAPay isn't there, which I'm positive that it won't be, I will, sorry, I will get you the contract. So on Twitter, there's a guy that I follow, and you guys should probably follow as well. So it's at Take Green Pill. This guy has lots of all of these are passive income platforms. Of course, do your own research. Seems like he's buying this Naka one. And he's the one that put me onto the AvaPay uh, uh, platform. And essentially, when he brought it out, of course, here's the original tweet with the contract and everything. So the contract, the token contract, is written right here. You would simply copy that, head back over to Trader Joe, click on the top, the button here to open up this menu, and you could just paste the address up there, and it'll, you may have to add the token by, like that. So once you have that added, it's a simple swap. You can either do max, or you can specify an amount. I would say leave a little bit for gas fees and stuff like that. So if I got zero point 0.5 here, I'll probably do, 0.3, and you just go ahead and swap away. I'm not going to swap at the top here. It's at it broke an all-time high. People are taking profits. Let's see if it has a little pullback to, like, if it could settle around here, that would be perfect. That would be the first entry that I would look for. Yesterday we were down here. So all of this movement, breaking the all-time high, that all happened pretty quickly. And of course, you can kind of see the short history of this thing. It has its pumps, pull back, pump even harder. You know, big, huge green candles. This was a 38,000% move. 5K would have got you like 83K or something like that. We did have that pullback though, and we consolidated. We found this double bottom here, right? And I really wanted to get in on that, but by the time I got in, the price had already moved up here. So I was like, okay, forget it. Let's just get in. And from there, that was what only 20 bucks, and that 20 bucks has already doubled. And I also get the USDC in return. So overall, not financial advice, but this is just a tutorial on showing you how I was able to invest in AVAPAY using Trader Joe. One main thing is to make sure that you send that avalanche through AVAX so it can get to your to the avalanche side of your wallet. All right. If you guys have any questions, just post them in the chat, and I will help people walk them through it. Have a good one.